Something I wish I knew about when I started in the trades. So V-belts, B-belts, whatever kind of belt that you have, you can buy this stuff called link belt, and it'll be a real trip saver so you don't have to go back and forth to the supply house if you need to. You can make this into any size that you want. It's a bit fiddly to put together, and it takes a little bit of practice in order to get it done as quickly as I can do it now. I used to do it in twice the amount of time, but it really does come in handy. Hey, and before you say anything, don't act like you never roll on a belt, okay? I'm sure you do. Thought I'd share this with you guys in case you've never seen it before. It works great for me, saves me a lot of time.